morning breakfast routine, a mini daily detox, lemon and lime every day. Clears out the past, ready for the day. It's bitter herbs. You have to do this 3 times. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. We are being healthy, and here we go. Sexual health, menstrual health, coughs, arthritis, migraines, a low sperm count, panic attack, diabetes, constipation, all kind of something for just taking this. Now, for the past few months, I have been doing intermittent fasting. So I actually don't eat anything again till 12 o'clock. So first of all, I'm going to make a chia seed pudding. What do? I prepare what I'm going to have when I do eat of everything. So first of all, put your chia seeds in. It's going to double and triple inside. You don't need that much, because I promise you it's going to grow. Oat milk, homemade sea moss. Oh, a teaspoon in there. All right, mix that up. So any fruit you like, but right now I'm adding in, I've got some satsumas. This looks all thin and runny, but trust me, it's gonna get thick and very, very nice. Now, if you want to, you can add agave or even honey, but I'm not on that right now. Cacao nibs. I've got ground flaxseed up in here. Some frozen blueberries. Look, it's getting all pack off. Cut a banana. Change my mind. I'm gonna add a little bit of agave, yeah? Just a little bit. It is done, all right? I'm gonna cover that up, and we're gonna, oh, that's the wrong lid, isn't it? Wrong lid for that. I'm gonna have my workout session, and then I'm gonna break my fast with this lovely chia pudding. Can you see it's already grown? And it's packed with goodness, guys. You know the people that tell you that sugar and processed foods and stuff is all right, a little bit of what you fancy won't harm you, those ones, they also are the same people who are invested in the medical industry. They all have shares in it. So the same people that made you sick with the sugar and the processed foods are also the same people that are gonna treat you when you get sick. Let's do something different. Why don't we change the programming, because we've been programmed that a little bit of what we fancy, etc. won't harm you. It will. Try a little bit of chia seed pudding. Try a little bit of lemon water and a nice glass of warm water in the morning. And even better, try a little bit of Lord of Mercy bitters. Do it and then forget it, and have a great day.